Hi and welcome to All Things Styled by Pam. What you are looking at is my small, tiny laundry room. This is my washer and dryer right here. You probably can't see it because the wall is back behind me. As you can see my arm right here. So I don't have that much room. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up two cabinets, and then I'm going to do some floating shelves on the side of the cabinet, or put the cabinets here, one here, and the shelves in the middle, or two here and the shelves on this end. I'm still not sure, but I gotta take this thing down. Yes, I went to Starbucks, okay, because I needed my energy. So what I'm going to try to do is get this rack out. Then, now what I could do is I could sit the cabinets on top of the rack, and that way it will hold the cabinets while I drill the cabinets into the studs. Or what I'm going to do is take a board, go across, put it in the studs, and sit the cabinet on top of it. So that way I can bring the cabinets down some, so I won't have to be filling any holes. but I still think this is too high, and I want to bring the cabinets down, so I'll probably do the board across and then sit the cabinets on top, so that way it'll give me some support as I'm trying to put the cabinets up. So yeah, and then on top of that too, I'm trying to decide if I should, because I can't pull the washing machine and dryer out, and because they're on a base right there. Look at Blue. Because they're on a base right here, I can't get those out, so I may have to wait until my husband come back and then pull them out, so that way I can paint. But I want to go ahead and put the cabinets up that I picked up from Home Depot. And let me tell you, one thing I do not like is flathead screws. These things got flathead screws in it. So I will be back shortly to show you what my decision is. I pulled down the wiring shelf, which is this right here, that was originally up here, and I had to wind up pulling some of the anchors out of the wall with a pair of pliers, because some of the anchors and the screws that were in the wall really weren't in a stud or anything like that. So I was able to just pull them out, which left big holes in the wall. Right here, I placed a piece of wood. I wish I knew the names of these woods. I don't, and I do apologize. But as you can see, it's not that thick. I put the screws in the stud of the walls, which is right here. Okay, you see where that black line is right there. So that's where the studs were, and I needed a way to make sure that I can put the new shelving on top of something, so that way I'll have time to be able to screw it in. So that's the reason why I have that long piece right there, to make it easier on me. And I did make sure that it was even. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the shelving, or cabinets to put. One is going to go here and one is going to go here, so it'll hide the holes that are already up here, but probably not the middle. I plan on doing floating shelves for the ones in the middle. Hopefully I got the right size wood. I'll be back. Okay, the cabinets are now hung up, and I have them. Now this side I have in the stud, and I also put some anchor walls. In this side I had to use all anchors, so that way I can make sure that the cabinet does not fall down, because there wasn't no stud right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix the holes, And the lines that you see right here, that is for me to get ready to put up the stick and peel wallpaper. And yes, I already know that stick and peel wallpaper is going to be a hot mess. So wish me luck, okay, on getting that up there straight. And plus, I'm starting with the middle, because if I started this end, I would only have this much on this end. So I'm trying to start in the middle so I can put the same amount on this side as well as this side. So wish me luck. Okay, guys, I do apologize. I've already completed and done everything, but I ran into a problem when I was filming, and I had to cut the camera off to try to figure out a way to fix it. And that is with this bottom shelf right here. Now, when I put my hand up in front to show you something, it may blur out for a second, and I do apologize about that, okay? So, this bottom shelf right here, I built the frame first, and then I attached the bottom frame because I knew that I wasn't going to be able to get my staple gun or my brad nailer underneath the shelf, because the washer and dryer are on pedestals and it has them lifted up higher. So this is what happened. I made sure as I was building the frame to secure the sides right here, and forgot to do the middle piece under here, okay? And what happened was, when I put up the shelves, because I was in a rush and I should have slowed down, I did this one correctly, because after doing this one, after I made the mistake on this one, I knew not to do it again and to slow down with this one. So I tried to put, I had a gap about this much right here on the bottom shelf, because I forgot to secure it before I put it up. So I tried liquid nails, I tried Gorilla Glue, I tried everything to, I even have over here, I even have this, what do you call it? Oh God, I can't think of the name of it, but you know what it is. My mind just went blank. You know what it is. So what I did was I hooked this on to here, and I lifted up where the gap was right here, and it was driving me crazy because I could not fix the gap and the glue did not help. So what I did was I put this back on where the gap was, and this lifted up the gap that was in here, lifted up the board. And let me put this down. And this is what happened. And you know what? One thing about on my channel, if you've been with me long enough, I'm going to always keep it real with you guys. So what happened was I had to put a nail in here, right here, to keep it lifted up, and it cracked right there. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to try and see if I can caulk it. If I cannot caulk it to repair it, I'm going to have to wait until my husband comes back. And I'm going to have to move the washer and dryer up so that way I can get my brad nailer up under here to go across right here where the gap was, or I may not touch it. I just may try to caulk it. And you know what? Things happen, okay, during projects. I'm really proud as to how this came out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some stuff, and I want to make sure that I get the name correct as to what I did. So you see the cabinets. The cabinets, I can tell you, are from Home Depot. The handles that are on the cabinet are also from Home Depot. And the wood that I use is from Home Depot. But the only thing is the lighting fixture, and I'm getting ready to change the bulbs because two match and this one does not. That's because I wanted to see what it looked like. I'm really loving this lighting fixture. Now, from my angle, you won't know, it is not touching the shelf at all. It's not. It looks like it is, but it is not. And what I'm going to do is when I come back, I'm going to change the bulbs out because I have 3 more right here that match to put up here. Now this is a good thing to do too. When you want to test out the ambiance of the lighting and you want to see how it looks, I don't like that, okay? Everyone knows that's been a part of my channel for a long time that I love bright light in certain rooms. In this room, I want it lit up, okay? So I did all of this by myself, and I'm really happy as to what I did. And then once I show you where the items came from, then I'm gonna go ahead and decorate. I won't be on camera because I look a hot mess right now. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am coming down the hallway because I want to show you the products that I use really quickly. And I do apologize that I did not demonstrate how I hung the cabinets, but I was just trying to get it done. And as you all know, on my channel, I'm going to always keep it real. And that is the reason why I have no shame in my game showing you the mess that I created in getting that laundry room done. But this is the paint that I use. It is cabinet paint, and it is from Sherwin-Williams, and it's called Pro Mar 200. This is what I use on my kitchen cabinets, and let me tell you, the paint still looks good even from using it on my cabinets. Now, I did run into an issue with the floating shelving that I did. It's not going to fall or anything like that, and I'm going to explain that to you in just a moment. But let me show you the products that I use. So I use this primer right here. Let me see if I can turn it around. And I try to do, what do you call it? What is it? Wall sculpt? I can't think of the name of it. But it goes around the ceiling of the wall, and I was trying to do, but I couldn't get the cut right for nothing in the world. So I used a primer. Let me turn it around. Okay, this is the same thing I used on my cabinets, okay? The Kills 2 all-purpose primer, but there's another one that I have that has shellac in it. It's called Ben's primer, and it has shellac in it, so that way it hides the imperfections really good. But I decided to use this one because with this and this, it gives me the best coverage that I really like. So that is what I use, and that is the scraps from the wallpaper that I used. Now let me go into my kitchen. Now the wallpaper I got from Lowe. I got from Lowe's, and let me tell you, this is Stick and Peel, and this is who it's by. A+R Wall Ellis Silver Papel Topazzi. Well, anyway, so this is the wallpaper that I use in the lunchroom. Let me tell you, this was worth every dime. Okay, I was really nervous about using Steel and Pick wallpaper, but I didn't feel like covering all the holes. So this really, and plus I wanted to give the laundry room a little pop. And let me tell you, I put it on and I saw that it was a little crooked. I could take it back off, put it back on again, no problems. Okay, this is a Lowe's. I love this wallpaper. This is what I use that I purchased from, I'm not sure, I think maybe Home Depot, in order to put the handles on the cabinets. And again, I do apologize that I did not show me making the shelving or hanging the cabinets, but I was by myself and I had to cut the camera completely off because I got kind of frustrated with one of the shelving units that I did. But trust me, they're not going to fall. So this is what I use. And let me tell you, it comes with a drill bit. This is the best tool to hang cabinets, to hang handles with, regardless of whether it's handles, regardless of whether it is dresser drawers or cabinets, whatever, this is the best tool, and this is by Liberty. Also, this is the lighting fixture that I got, and it's by Kichler, and let me tell you, I am loving Kichler's products. Okay, and this came from Lowe's. This is that's not the lighting fixture that I chose. I wanted something different. And if you've been on my channel long enough, y'all know that I love picking up stuff that is different or just will give me that extra look that I'm looking for. So this is the one that I chose, okay? And it's a 3-light chandelier. And this is the rest of them that they have from Kichler. But I didn't use none of these. These didn't really fit my style. But this one, as soon as I saw this one, it's called the Lala from the Lala collection. Oh my goodness. Okay, so my laundry room is small. So let me go ahead and, I gotta change the bulbs right quick and I'll be right back. Okay, you know what I forgot? In building the shelves, I forgot to purchase something to put on the shelves. But I want to keep it as minimal as possible and keep whatever items, because I do have a drawer down here where is my my bounce is, and I have plenty of room. I just took this divider out of the other drawer. So basically that is it. All I did was stick a faux plant up there, and that's it. It's not touching the light fixture or anything like that. One of my daughters was like, Mama, that's so glam. That is too glam to have in a laundry. I said, no, it's not. Because this is what I wanted. So I do apologize, and I've been saying that a lot, that I didn't show you any other items, but I forgot. Because I was too busy trying to concentrate on making sure I built this correctly or built this right. I'm really happy as to how it came out. I really am. And I hope that you enjoyed my update to my laundry room. And thank you for watching. And please leave your comments below and let me know your thoughts on my laundry room. When I don't film, you know Pam is up to something, okay? And I like to take my time, and I just don't want to throw videos up just to throw videos up for the sake of the views. I want to make sure whatever I'm doing is going to give you some ideas, and it's going to be right. And I just want to make sure that, you know, my videos look good, and they make sense, okay? So if you want to, if I do add anything to it, I will put it on my Instagram. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, please join me at Diamond2872. I would be happy to have you over there, where I do post, because I've been posting a lot about this laundry room over there. And thank you for watching All Things Styled by Pam. And I will talk to you guys in another video. That wallpaper is gorgeous. Bye, guys.